Hi friends, it's Miss Jodi, and today we're going to be making art with nature. So for this, you're going to need crayons and some paper. If you already have crayons without the wrapping, that is preferred, but you could also take a well-loved crayon and take the paper off it yourself. So now I'm going to find a tree and put the paper on the tree and then rub it with the crayon. You could also do this project by finding a leaf, putting it down on a table, and covering it with your paper. Then you rub the leaf with the crayon. And that's my nature art. Bye, friends!